Captain's gonna sing a shanty! The missing link.
Different from what people believe, there is no missing link. Everything is transitional. The word missing link is to describe an animal that resembles a mixture of two animals. With this logic, the guitar fish is a missing link, even though it is Aspersis of Ray.
Commonly thought of as a hypothetical ape-like creature, this evolutionary rock star is supposed to bridge the gap between man and ape, but there are missing links all over Darwin's evolutionary tree. And guess what? They are still missing. For instance, dogs and bears are thought to be cousins, related to each other through a missing link.
There is a missing link between dogs and bears. Here it is.
The same could be said for every other gap in evolution. And some of these gaps are huge, like the gap between sea creatures with and without bones.
Maybe it's because they had a different evolutionary route. Boneless sea creatures like crabs came from arthropods from the Cambrian and squids from mollusks of the Cambrian. Meanwhile, sea creatures with bones like fish came from a small ancestor, similar to a marine maggot of some sorts.
While scientists have found fish fossils with bones and ones without, they have yet to find what goes in between.
Big part of fish fossils without any bones are considered cartilaginous fish, and cartilage can't be fossilized. It's still disputed if cartilaginous fish are vertebrates or invertebrates.
All types of animals are thought by evolutionists to have risen by the transformation of some other animal type. And as each part of the evolutionary tree branches from one type to another, there appears to be another missing link. And that's the big problem with evolution. Evolution depends on countless missing links.
Actually, evolution depends on the mutations that a certain individual can inherit genetically, not missing links. Recently, elephants have evolved the ability to lose their tusks naturally, all because of poachers. Evolution can be forced because of predator or by natural cousins.
Gone extinct, replaced by their evolved descendants. For example, if some types of fish evolved into some types of amphibians, then there should have been a few changed along the way from 90% fish, then 80% fish, and so.
It's funny how you don't mention Tiktaalik. This fella is basically 50% amphibian and 50% fish. It's a tetrafish.
On until 100% amphibian emerged, but the evidence and the fish are still missing. Creation says that all life was created after its kind.
Maybe it's because evolution was not a well-known fact at that time.
We can easily see that creation has upheld that process to this day. Evolution says we have to trust that there are many unseen missing links out there. So it's plain to see that the theory of evolution is a theory full of gaps.
Just like your brain.